tend to think that the landscape that is around us has always been, and that's really not the case. When my wife and I came here 36 years ago, we got tired driving along the road that we live on and looking at all these prairie remnants that are up on the bluffs. And we said, oh, they're disappearing. And we all of a sudden said, why don't we just do something about it?
It's a risky proposition doing what we do, but being able to pull it off and then see the results ultimately as the years go on, it's also really, really rewarding and really satisfying. In the southern part of Wisconsin, especially the prairies and oak savannas, would have been the predominant land cover type.
Most of the ecosystems in Wisconsin are fire adapted, and so they're used to fire. Without it, the ecosystem really starts to change in ways that no longer support the species that have been there for millennia. The Arboretum was very much a part of that rediscovery of fire and the importance, but then also how to actually use that as a ecological tool.
There's that really rich history of fire here, but I'm also maybe more excited about the future. We're going to need more practitioners. We're going to need more people that know how to use fire safely to help carry these burns out and expand the amount of burning that we're doing.
I've been really teaching prescribed fire for 36 years.
Our goal here was to teach you how to use the equipment when you've got fairly hot conditions and you need to use your equipment well.
We're not just training, we're getting burns done. We're moving conservation forward, and those trainees can be helping mentor other people who are coming along and interacting with those landowners, which then continues that positive feedback loop. Leopold's land ethic is a guiding light for people worldwide, and certainly here in Wisconsin. People have done a great job adopting that land ethic across a political spectrum. Prescribed fire is a way of providing the tools that are really necessary to accomplish the goals that most people can agree upon.
Our farm wants to be part of something bigger, and the consumer these days want to know that their food is coming from responsible producers. We have a lot of pockets on the farm that are not crop producing, but we wanted to get them back in their natural state. Partnering with programs with the University of Wisconsin has been priceless and is super helpful. It gets you the latest expertise with the latest data and settled science. Instead of taking away habitat, we're regenerating it. And I think too many times in agriculture, we've always been accused of just taking it away. And now we want to be something better and give it back.